right, let's take a look at one of the hits of the show. This is our new UMC-400SS, the smaller brother to the UMC-500. Similar configuration, but less expensive and a smaller work envelope. This has a 230 millimeter rotary platter. The machine itself has got a very small footprint at 7 by 7 feet. Comes with our standard 30+1 side mount tool changer. It's got a max part swing of 14.5 inches. It's also got our new look Haas control with a 19-inch monitor and the carbon fiber bezel. Here at the show, we're making this part. It's basically a suspension style part, probably for like a mountain bike. A couple of pivots here. Everything you see here, of course, is in one operation. That's why you're using 5 axes, so I can hit all these different sides at once, or one after the other. The UMC-400SS is going to list for about $120,000, and the non-super speed version is going to be about $100,000. Now let's take a look at a different machine.